Today, I'm going to show you how to optimize your WordPress website for SEO using Rank Math. This plugin makes it much easier to improve your search visibility, optimize content, and follow SEO best practices directly inside WordPress without needing advanced technical knowledge. SEO is important because it helps search engines understand your website and connect your content with the right audience. A well-optimized site can improve rankings, increase organic traffic, and help users find your content more easily. Rank Math helps simplify that process by giving you real-time recommendations as you build pages and posts. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, go to Rank Math in the left sidebar and open the dashboard. Here you can enable different SEO modules depending on your site's needs. For most websites, you'll want modules like sitemap, schema, redirections, and image SEO enabled. Next, head to Rank Math, SEO, then Titles and Meta. This is where you can control your default SEO settings across the site. You can set SEO titles and meta descriptions for pages, posts, and blog archives. These are what users typically see in Google search results, so it's important to make them clear, descriptive, and keyword-focused. Then go to Sitemap settings. XML sitemaps help search engines crawl and index your website more efficiently. Make sure your sitemap is enabled and that important content types like pages and posts are included. Once enabled, Rank Math automatically keeps this updated for you. Now let's look at optimizing an individual page. Open any page or post in WordPress and see the Rank Math SEO score icon in the top right. This ranks how well your site is found across search engines. Scroll down to the optimization panel and start by setting a focus keyword. This should reflect the main phrase you want the page to rank for in search engines. Rank Math will then score the page based on how well the content is optimized around that keyword. You'll see suggestions like adding the keyword to your page title, meta description, URL, headings, and body content. It also checks readability, internal linking, image alt text, and content length. A quick tip here, don't focus only on getting a perfect score. The goal is to create helpful, natural content for users first while following SEO best practices. Over-optimizing can actually hurt readability. Next, check the Schema tab. Schema markup helps search engines better understand your content and can improve how your pages appear in search results. Rank Math makes it easy to apply things like article, FAQ, event, or product schema depending on the page type. You can also use the Redirections module to manage broken links and redirects. This is especially useful if you've changed URLs or removed old pages and want to avoid 404 errors that could impact SEO. Finally, after making your updates, publish the page and test your SEO performance over time using tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics. SEO is ongoing, so it's important to monitor rankings and continue improving your content. And that's it. With just a few settings and optimizations in Rank Math, you can build a stronger SEO foundation for your WordPress website and improve your visibility in search results. Need more help? New Target's tailor-made support plans have you covered. Learn more at newtarget.com.